Hey, what's up? What's going on, man? So this is some news making headlines right now. Chick got smacked in the Bronx. Um, she got into a little fight in the bodega. I mean, it's coming out the hood, so might be the Bronx, might be Brooklyn, but sure, it was out of bodega. Homegirl pressed homeboy like, you know what I mean, that was cool, or she could have bullied him on some real shit. But the nigga was like, yo, ma, you need to calm down. You need to chill. You know what I mean? I don't get down like that. Watch your mouth. You know, she just kept talking and talking and talking. And one thing led to another. And, he checked her. Like, was he wrong to check her? Because she was all up in his face and pushing all that. Look, all I can say is let's watch the video and I'll tell you how I feel truly about this video, man. On some real, this is me speaking on some New York shit. Sometimes shit might not go your way, you know what I mean? But let's watch the video. Hopefully, we can see where and see what happened, all right?
Suck my dick. You can suck anything. You can suck my dick. You gotta call somebody, bro. I gotta call nobody. I will wipe up myself.
Listen, the suck my dick part, that when a woman says that to you, it means she's in nigga mode. You know what I mean? She's trying to be like a man, so she transformed. She transformed. So if you say suck my dick, it means like, yo, I'm a nigga too. So let's get it in. Just for y'all who need to understand why women say suck my dick, you know what I mean? Because obviously you don't have a dick, you're a bitch.
What you talking about? I'm doing it. What you would? I'm doing it. What you talking about? Suck a dick. You ain't even got no teeth. Stop playing with me.
She insults this man about his teeth. And the man was like, yo, stop playing with me. Or, like all
Stop playing with me. Suck a dick. You're ugly. You ain't got no teeth. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You got no teeth. Look at this. Stop playing with me. You a fucking hoodie. Stop playing with me. Smack. Smack home. Smack home.
Just as you put your man on the fucking phone, right?
You don't come down the block and murder him. Stop playing with me.
This no.
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I would have my come down the block and beat her. Beat her.
Oh, why you? Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro.
Yo, wildin', bro.
Now you see what happened, right? My question to y'all niggas is like, bro, would you have wired her up like that if push came to shove and she talked about getting a nigga to jump you, bro? Like, would you wait around on some real shit? Like, would you do that? That's one question I want to know, right? Now, me in this kind of position, I would have deflected. But she would have fucking touched me. It would have been a difference, and I understand why he reacted the way he reacted. She when as a New York nigga, when a bitch say, yo, suck my dick, that means you in nigga mode. You wanna fight. You wanna fight me like a nigga? Let's get it in. Am I wrong for thinking like that? Like, come on now. You have a disagreement. You can't say, oh, let me fall back. You know what I mean? I say, yo, I fall back. I'm done. When I say I'm done, that's it, right? If you come at me on some other shit, it's gonna be some other shit. You know what I mean? But look, do you feel this woman should have got wired up like the way she was? Because she right now you see nigga right there next to her. I think that's probably her boyfriend. Know what I mean? But look, she deserve her ass whooping on some real shit, bro. That's all I'm saying. Just for her being so aggressive, like, ma, chill. It wasn't even called for. It's early in the morning. Niggas just can't get something to eat. You don't have to play the nigga like that. And on top of that, you going to touch the nigga. Why you touching the nigga for? Come on now, ma. Shit, you in the same store. You ain't got nothing to prove. Damn, you came out to get your cigarettes and do your thing. Look, bitch, ain't nobody care about that. Really. Now you got your man asking what happened. What happened? Damn, bro. You see? And now you're putting your man in a fucked up position. And women don't think about this. Women think, oh, my man could defend me. I need my man. Look, you fought another nigga and the nigga didn't go easy on you. He was moving faster than you. He had hands. Women don't think about this shit before they even start, bro. But, you know, living in the projects, niggas don't understand what the fuck it is. But anyway, I digress. Tell me what you think, man. Should he have wired her up the way he did? Or should he just like, yo, ma, just stop, chill, walked away from the whole situation? Tell me what the fuck would you do? And you gotta, if you from New York, please comment, man. Comment. Tell me what you would do. I don't want to hear none of that. Oh, nah, she's a woman. Nah, when you say suck my dick from that point, that means you a man. You on boy time. You want to be a nigga, man. Let's get it in. Know what I mean? Anyway, I'm out. Holla at y'all later. Hope y'all stay safe and be blessed, man.